Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to stop getting promotional mails from websites in your Gmail app. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. After you open up your Gmail app, go ahead and look for a particular email promotion you always get from a certain website. Like for instance, I'm using this particular website right here. Most time we keep on getting promotional mail flooded into our inbox from some of the websites we have registered with our email so far. We have already subscribed to their mail. How can you stop them from getting flooded promotional mail in your Gmail box? So what you need to do is to open the mail. When you open the mail, scroll down below right here and then large, and make sure you go ahead and click on unsubscribe right here. Go ahead and click on confirm my unsubscription. Go ahead and click on order, confirm. Select the options for unsubscribe right here. Click on confirm. Unsubscription. Thank you for leaving a comment. So next thing we want to do here is to go back to the inbox and continue to go back. And next thing we want to do here is to make sure we click on the three slider from the top. Then we have to make sure we scroll down right here. We scroll down right here and make sure we click on manage subscriptions right here. Then on getting here, go ahead and review all the mail you have right here. So the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. This allows you to remove them from your subscription list. Go ahead and click on unsubscribe. And with that, you will stop getting mails, promotional mails from that particular website or URL any longer into your mailbox. It's that simple. For more useful tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.